What's going on, guys? It's Juan Zuniga, and in this video I'm gonna give you some tips on how to make money with zero money. You really do not have to have any type of capital to be able to make money. And this is pretty interesting because a lot of people think that you need money to make money, but there's actually several ways that you can do it without any money. You can actually leverage other people's work and services, or create your own path and be able to create money. So right now I'm gonna drop some knowledge to you guys so you can start making money from home. Stop making excuses saying that you can't make money and you can't make ends meet. So let's get into it. The first one, and I've talked about this several times before, the first one is to sell products online. You can use several different websites like Poshmark, eBay, to be able to post things online and sell them online. You have a lot of stuff probably laying around, a lot of clothes that you've had in your closet for months that you haven't worn, you haven't used, that can be used to make some money. And you probably have some old iPhone or Android or an old laptop that is still in great condition, but you don't use because you just upgraded to a new one, that you can put on eBay, you can put a Poshmark, you can sell it on Craigslist and make some money. And there's all the people that actually go around looking at garage sales, trying to buy something that is very cheap and sell that for a higher price. And there's also people that go around on Craigslist and find for free items that they can just pick up and sell online. So there's always ways that you can sell stuff online and make some money. Poshmark is an amazing site. You can use it to post your clothes, your shoes, everything. I've made videos about this, and I've told you how amazing this site is. And you just ship it out and you get paid. eBay is another great one. Like I said, I've used eBay to buy stuff a lot of used stuff, because there's a lot of great stuff on eBay. And you can do the same thing. You can sell that used stuff that is in great condition, or even if it's not great condition. I've seen phones that are broken that are only for parts that people are selling for $200-300, and they sell. People buy them and use them because maybe they just want to use one part of this phone to fix another phone. So there's always ways to do that. So check out Poshmark, check eBay, Craigslist to be able to sell things and make money that way. The second one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very popular thing. It was very popular back in 2010, 2011, but it is becoming popular again because it's a very easy way to make money. For example, we have affiliate marketing with Jade Black. If you guys are interested in becoming an affiliate for Jade Black, I'm gonna have the link down below so you can sign up. And there's also videos that you can become and watch to that, where Jose teaches you how to sell better and become a better affiliate marketer. Now, the beauty about affiliate marketing is that you can start making money instantly. All you have to do is sign up and start promoting that link or that product to your own customers without having to spend any type of money. For example, Jade Black gives 10% of any item sold. So if you sell something, let's say for $50, you get $5. $5 easy dollars that you got that only by promoting that item. Right now we're having a launch. Tomorrow, Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern, we're launching Jade Black. The site is opening again with new products, amazing products. We redesigned the products. We came out with new products, and I'm telling you guys are gonna love these things. And we come up, we still have blue light, we still have prescription, we still have sunglasses and a lot of them. And you guys can actually just sign up, become an affiliate marketer, and start selling these new products to your own people, to your own followers. If you have 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 500 people, you can still use this link and start selling to your own people and make some money out of it. There's a lot of people that are affiliate marketers from our site that have made $5,000, $2,000, $700 just in one launch, which is amazing. So, like I said, we're not the only site that does that, but we do have Jade Black, we do have Essential, and for all the other companies, we are going to have it for He Grooming, Santa Lucia, etc. But remember to check out Jade Black, guys, tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern, so you guys can get, first dibs on the glasses and start selling the new inventory. Affiliate marketing is a great way to do it. There's a lot of sites that you can go on to that you can look for different affiliate or different companies that offer affiliate marketing. You can sign up to them, and after you start making some money, you can start running ads on these things. You can go on Google, Facebook, etc. Put your link, use some pictures, and start running ads, and you're making money. So there's always ways to doing it. First, you can do it for free by promoting to your own people, growing your channel, growing your Instagram, and start promoting to those people. But then when you start having a little bit more money, you can start running ads on these things, on all these links, get money and get your return. So there's always ways to do it. Third one, and in my opinion is a very hard one now, but it's still possible, is to open your own YouTube channel. Now, YouTube pays by CPM, cost per milli. So the CPM ranges from, it can be $2, it can be $3, it can be $5, it can be $20. It all depends on your content. It all depends on how much YouTube likes you. It all depends on how engaging your content is and how much people want to watch it. So for every 1,000 views, you get a certain amount of money. Some people get $5, some people get $7. If you only get 1,000 views, you get $7. If you get 1,000,000 views, you can get $7,000. So YouTube is a way of being able to show your creativity, show what you want to learn. You can put courses on there. You can do random videos. You can do random vlogs. It doesn't necessarily have to be you in front of the camera. You can put a clip of funny videos that you find online and create your own video and get millions of views. Or you can create a children's channel if that's what you're interested in, of children's music and children's books, etc., reading a children's book, and still get money. So there's always ways you can do it with the YouTube channel. It doesn't necessarily you have to be in front of the camera, talking in front of the camera, but that's what a lot of people do. But there's thousands and thousands of YouTube channels that is just infographics. There are just royalty-free pictures or videos that you can use and start creating content that is interesting, that people are going to get engaged. So YouTube is still a good way of doing it if you know what you're doing, if it's something that you're really passionate about, and this is the only way you want to make money. And on top of that, you can always get sponsors as well. After you get a good amount of followers, you can get people to send you free products. You can get people to pay you $50, $100, $1,000, whatever, depending on the size of your channel, and you can start making some money per video. And that's a good little side hustle that you don't need to have any money to start doing it. All you need is a computer that you probably already have, some internet connection, and some creativity. The next one is freelancing. I've talked about this before as well. If you're a web developer, if you know how to copyright, if you know how to do ads, if you know how to graphic design, if you know how to translate, whatever it is, you can use those skills to sell it to other people. There's a lot of sites that you can do it. Fiverr, you can create your own website where you promote your own services. It doesn't matter what it is. Some people really need those skills. Or if you're a good editor, you can reach out to different YouTubers and see if they would, be willing for you to edit some videos at whatever your cost is. And really, you don't have to have any money to do that. All you have to do is be persistent and have some time to start emailing people. That's a good way to start making money, especially if you have a skill. Now, if you don't have a skill, there's always ways that you can learn. You go on YouTube, you can go on Skillshare and learn a new skill that can be used to make some money. You can and like I said, if it's an editor, you can go to Skillshare, you can go to YouTube, learn how to edit with Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere, and then make some money. Start contacting YouTubers. YouTubers are actually very busy doing all other stuff, thinking about content, writing it, and coming up with other stuff. That editing is something that takes a long time for them. Some of them don't even like editing. So you can contact them and try to use their services and make some money that way. The final one is to create your own service company or freelance dropshipping kind of thing. So for example, if you don't have no skill, if you don't know how to edit, you don't know how to web develop, you don't know how to do any of that, but you know somebody that does, or like for example if you go on Fiverr, you know that a graphic designer is going to cost you $5 to create a logo. You come up to me and you tell me, yo, I can create your logo for $20. Then I'll give you $20, you pay $5 to the graphic designer to create that logo, and then you just made $15 just by getting that basically logo to me you're basically a middleman, freelance dropshipper. You're basically getting that service from somebody else and you're making $15. Now, this is just an example. I don't know how much logos are going for Fiverr, but that's an easy way that you can do it. Or let's say editing a video. Let's say, a free Fiverr is charging you $100, whoever on Fiverr, to edit a video. You charge $200, you charge $150, and you just profited $50 or $100 from it, and you're able to make some money without really doing a lot of work. You're just getting that video from point A to point C. Your point B, just the connection between those people, which makes it a lot easier. You don't have to worry about that. You just have to have, a good list of reliable people that can edit, do graphic design, they can do copyright and all that. And then you can just start freelancing that stuff or subcontracting that stuff. And you're basically a digital contractor. You're subcontracting these people to do your work that you're getting paid by the main client. So these are easy ways that you can start making money right now, especially if you're from home. We're home. Now, a lot of places are locked down. You're not going to school. You're doing school from Zoom. Some of people are working from home or doing part-time, or some people have no job. There's always ways to make money. These are the easiest, best ways that you can do it with zero cash. You don't need to have any cash to be able to start this. And let me tell you guys, this is worth it. It's worth to check it out. Even if it's a side hustle, I think it's something that you guys need to check out and be able to make some money, make some extra cash to make ends meet, or create a whole business out of it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Remember to subscribe. Remember, J Black is launching tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. New styles are fire. You can also become an affiliate for us, and I'll have a link down below as well for that. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.